Hi, and welcome to our For the Love of Instant Pot today. Rather than cooking something up, we're going to have a little lesson in some deep cleaning of your Instant Pot. How many times have you gone to where you store your Instant Pot, lifted the lid, and all of a sudden you smell yesterday's stew or last week's pork and sauerkraut? If you want to get rid of that odor, here today we're going to go through a short, easy way to help with that. So stay tuned, join us as we go through the steps and see how it works for cleaning and deodorizing your Instant Pot. I have my supplies together to get that leftover food smell out of my pot today. You will need 1 cup of white distilled vinegar, 3 cups water, and the juice from 1 lemon. As a side note, if you followed along the other week when we did lemon juice concentrate, you could use about a 1/4 cup of that in place of your lemon. I've used all the lemon concentrate that I've made, so I just pulled a lemon out of the fridge and am set to use that. Cut your lemon in half and then hand squeeze the juice into your pot. You can see I have elected to keep my metal trivet in the pot so that it gets a good cleaning as well. Add your water and white vinegar. Put the lid on your pot and set the sealing knob to closed. Select the steam function and set for 2 minutes. At the end of the steam time, do a quick release. This allows the steam to get into the valve and clean it as well. The combination of vinegar and lemon water will kill the bad smell from your Instant Pot and gasket seal. In some cases, set-in smell is a little stubborn. If you have that, simply go through the steam process time again, do a quick release, but leave your lid on the pot and let it set overnight. In the morning, simply take the lid off and rinse and wash your pot real well, and you should be good to go. Okay, we finished that up. I'd like to tell you that it 100% took the odor out of my Instant Pot. It's much, much better than it was, but the odor of, and I think it's a pork and sauerkraut smell, is still there just a little bit, but I can smell the lemony vinegar smell as well. So I think if I do this several more times, at the completion of making something in my Instant Pot, I may have taken care of that problem of taking the lid off and having stinky smell. Although it does not affect the food, it's that smell when you open your pot. So try this in your pot at home. I can tell you too that this combination of lemon juice, water, and vinegar can be put in a cup or a bowl and put in your microwave. Set it for 5 to 7 minutes depending on how long it takes your microwave to bring that to a boil. Once it boils for a minute, turn your microwave off and let it set, and then you simply wipe down the sides and the bottom and the top of the microwave, and it's a quick, easy cleanup for your microwave as well. So thanks for joining us today. Hope to see you again next week in our next program. Until that time, stay healthy, be safe, and have a wonderful week.